5'9" plus size beauty. It's me, Joyce, and I'm missing a nail, but we're not going to talk about that. I came to talk and do a quick review on the E.L.F. Soft Glam Satin Foundation. Oops. Her. Her. Got her on right now. This is the second time I've worn her. She is light to medium coverage, but you can make her full coverage. I'm in the number 50 deep warm, and I'll show you. Deep warm. And so as you see me apply the foundation in the video that's coming up, the clips that are coming up, she looks really light and see-through. The first time I used her with a brush, and actually it was this brush, a E.L.F. powder blurring brush. But this time I used a E.L.F. It's dirty, a E.L.F. Sponge, and she went on better. So in my what I would say do is to use a sponge with her, because she's light coverage, and if you put a brush to her, then it's going to be a little splotchy and a little harder for you to even out. Let me see how much was this. I actually ordered her off of the E.L.F. website. If you all will think back, you'll see that I did a E.L.F. haul when I debuted her on my channel. So right now I'm pulling up the Soft Glam so I can tell you how much she was. I want to say she was $8. That's really affordable. She was $8. So if you like, you know, I have another tinted moisturizer that is a skin tint, Yummy, from the Nesmyrix. If you want something, would I compare them? They both give you radiant. This gives you a satin finish. This is more of a dewy. But I don't know if I would actually compare them. But for $8, I think she's a great pickup for this summertime, because we in summer. We ain't in spring no more, child. All right. So go pick up E.L.F. Soft Glam Satin Foundation. And it says on here, medium buildable coverage, long lasting, 1% hydrating hibiscus complex. So it says medium. I could say if you do it with a brush, you're going to thin it out. And that's why I said use a sponge on her. So yeah, I like her. I think she cute. Okay. So yeah, I will put the link down in the description box and also in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed, why not? I see a lot of traffic coming from my shorts here on YouTube, on TikTok. Y'all, that's my grandpa, Zoe. And also Instagram. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I get a lot of people that aren't subscribed looking. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, honey. Join the family, the beauties and bows. And let's see what else. You all, I still have my Avon store open if you want to get in on the Skin So Soft. Y'all, it's summertime and these bugs are out here. Okay? You still got a little time. What's today's date? It usually ships within three days. Zoe, Granny's recording. Avon usually ships within 3 days, so I will put links in the comment section and also in the description box for my Avon store. Go get you some Skin So Soft. I'm protected. So you'll have links for the E.L.F Soft Glam Satin Foundation. You'll also have links for the Avon Skin So Soft. And also I will put links for the black soap. Now, y'all know I was gifted these soaps. Where did I put the soaps at, y'all? I was gifted these black soaps. I forgot where I put them. Oh, girl, they pushed all the way to the back of this. I got 3 of them. I was gifted them. Girl, you know, I'm gonna use my Acaf black soaps. That's bad that I pushed them all the way back there. But yeah. So stay tuned because I have a lot of E.L.F reviews. I'm going to be doing all 5 of the E.L.F Sun Boss Gloss, which I do have one on. And I also have a little hack for y'all. So stay tuned. Keep watching. Subscribe. Click the notification bell twice. Or click all so you can get all the uploads that I'm going to be doing. Let's see. What else I want to tell y'all before I end this video. That's it. Subscribe. And click those links so you can get what I got. All right.
Whatever, all this ever about you long gone, it don't matter. Ride or die, that's been the deal. The light of your rock, I disappear. But if you don't play that for me, I'm out of it, I'm out of it. I lick my gun and then I'm done. I'm out of it, I'm out of it. And no man to tell me you're no good. I'm brushing away, do you, the weight of you, of my shoulders. Done with my cigarette.